Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Shrivastava and today we'll be exploring an Android Studio project that integrates Google Maps. Before diving into the code, let me tell you a bit about Android Studio. It's a powerful IDE for building Android apps, and with the Google Maps API you can seamlessly integrate map functionalities, offering users interactive experiences with the real-world locations. Let's walk through the code. Before we explore the code itself, let's talk about the imports. When working in Android Studio, we rely on various libraries and APIs that provide ready-made functionality. These imports allow us to avoid reinventing the wheel. For example, the Google Maps API handles map functionalities like displaying locations, adding markers, and interacting with the maps. The first import is android.app.alert dialog. This import is used to display a confirmation dialog when a user clicks on a station marker. Next import is android.content.intent. This is to launch the Google Maps app for navigation. Next import is android.net.uri. This is used to create the navigation intent for Google Maps. Our next import is android.os.bundle. This is used to pass the data between activity states and initialize UI components. Next import is android.view.layout in Flutter. This import along with android.view.view import. These two imports are used to inflate custom views and access XML layout elements. Next import is android.widget.toast. As you can see, here it is. These three imports. All these three imports displays brief messages to the user. AndroidX and Jetpack Compose imports. Here they are. As you can see, all these imports. These are used for UI layout and components in the declarative way. The next imports are the Google Maps imports. All these imports, these are required for integrating Google Maps, handling map actions, and adding markers. Next line in the code is this class, station data class. This class holds the data for each EV charging station such as its latitude and longitude, name, charging type, number of ports, connector type, phone number, availability, and the address of the EV station. As you can see, our next class is the main activity class. The main activity is also the name of the main file in Android Studio. Main activity is the primary class that handles the app's UI and functionality. A class main activity includes the function onMapReady callback. This function allows this activity to handle map loading when Google Maps is ready, declares the map view, map view renders the maps, and Google Maps allows control over the map's features. onCreate. onCreate is a lifecycle method that initializes the activity. It gets called when the activity is first created. Get map async. Get map async initializes map view and tells it to get the map asynchronously when ready. It uses Jetpack Compose to define the app's layout. A scaffold is used to arrange elements on map view container. As you can see, here it is. Map view container is where the map will be displayed. Our next method is on map ready. This method is called when the map is fully loaded and ready to use. The Google Map object is assigned for further operations. This line here, it sets the map's initial focus to Indore by moving the camera to the city's coordinates with a zoom level of 12. Here a list of EV charging stations is created and adds markers for each station to the map. The station data is used to store the markers tag for later use. Here is the list of all the EV charging stations that I have manually entered. As you can see, approximately there are 20 EV stations currently. With the latitude, longitude, name, charging type, port, connector type, phone number, availability and address. Here, the set info window adapter, as you can see, here it is. This section provides a custom info window for the markers. When a marker is clicked, a view is inflated using a custom layout which is stored in the file custominfowindow.xml. Here it is. All these details are shown when the marker is clicked. This method creates a URI for navigation and launches Google Maps stations. Whenever the marker is clicked, there will be a custom window that will ask, do you want to get the directions to this charging station? And if you click yes, it will direct you to the Google Maps. The function that does this work is this function. This ensures that the intent opens in Google Maps. Now as you can see, the methods override fun, on resume, on pause, on destroy and on low memory. All these methods handles the lifecycle events of the map view that are resume, pause, destroy and low memory. These methods ensure that the map is properly managed as the activity lifecycle changes. By this, I will now conclude my video. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how the EV charging station finder app works, from integrating the Google Maps API to displaying detailed station information and enabling navigation. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Thanks for watching.